Options Insight. I'm Abigail Doolittle. Joining me from the Steve-O in Chicago is Scott Bauer of Prosper Trading Academy. And Scott, thank you so much for taking the time to join us. And lots of breaking news this afternoon. It said that the FAA is grounding that 737 MAX following so many other nations and authorities. And of course, the UK Parliament just rejecting that no-deal Brexit. Are either of these macro movers for the markets?
You know, I'd say the Boeing one more so than the Brexit one. The Brexit one, I think everybody is already kind of, at least for now, baked in that this was going to get extended, and it looks like that is probably going to happen. So that uncertainty for right now is maybe off the table. The Boeing one, that's totally up in the air. We saw an immediate reaction after President Trump said he was grounding the planes here. Saw an immediate reaction lower. The Dow actually, I think, went almost unchanged on the day. Now it's rallied back. But listen, Boeing is such a heavy part of, component of the Dow here. That thing could trade in a $20, $30 range in any one day coming up here based on the news.
Yeah, and the S&P 500 being rejected by a very minute but important technical level on that news as well. Let's turn right to your trade, Roku.
Yes, stock absolutely hammered. Most of that is because of a big downgrade because of the Apple news coming out on March 25th, where people are expecting a new streaming service. I personally think it's overdone, and that's the beauty of being able to use options here. So I'm actually looking for an upside. April 65.70 call spread gives me a month. Very cheap,
Scott
big
Bauer,
upside
Prosper
there.
Trading Academy. Have to leave it there. This is Bloomberg.